Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 5. In this lesson we're talking about being able to represent put together situations with number binds and number sentences. Looking at this, we have to figure out which two dice make 8. So now we're going to have to look at these dice and we're going to have to figure out which two of them could make 8. Now, we have to just see which two could make 8. So about 4 and 1. Could 4 and 1 make 8? We'll put up 4 fingers and then add one more. 4, 5. Nope, that's 5. So we know that's not it. What about 5 plus 2? So that put 5 fingers up. Then put 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Nope, that makes 7. What about if we do 5 and 3? Put 5 fingers up and then 1, 2, 3. Up. Yep, we know that 5 plus 3 does make 8. So now we know that 5 plus 3 makes 8. So we are going to do our number bond. So we know that 5 and 3 are our two parts because we had to add that 5 and add that 3 to make up that 8. So we know that 5 and 3 make 8. So 5 was a part, 3 was a part, 8 was our whole. So now, looking at this, we can make our number sentences. So we know that for our number sentence, whenever it's addition, we know that our two parts love to hug that plus sign. And we love to keep all of our numbers happy. So we want to put our parts by the plus sign. So we know that I'm going to put, it doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as those two parts are hugging that plus sign. So we know I'm going to put first 5 plus 3 equals 8. Because we know that 5 was one of our parts and 3 was one of our parts. Now this one looks a little different. It says 8 equals blank plus blank. Well, don't let this one worry you at all, because this one's no different. The only thing that makes this one different is that the whole just wants to be first for this number sentence. That was it. It just wants to be first. We still put the parts hugging that plus sign. So 8 equals 5 plus 3. Now remember, we can do that switcheroo. And we can switch it and let the 3 be first. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 8 equals 3 plus 5. It doesn't matter which one we do. Now, let's say that you're like, well, Miss Perkins, I didn't see 5 and 3 that made 8. I saw something else instead. Well, yes, there's actually more than one that make 8 in these two dice, in these dice that we see. So another one. Let's see. What about 6 plus 1? What is 6 plus 1? 6. Add one more. Up, that's 7. Nope, that's not it. Well, what about 6 plus 2? Put up 6 fingers, add 2 more. 6, 7, 8. Up. That makes 8. So we can put that one in. We know that 6 and 2. Whoopsies, I put the wrong number. 6 plus 2, we know makes 8. Remember, two parts, they go to where it's connected or it's going to that hole, because we know that the parts make up that hole, that bigger number. So now we have to put it into our number sentence. Remember, parts love to hug that plus sign. So in that 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 8, that hole wants to be first this time, but that's okay. We know that's no big deal. We know those parts are still going to hug that plus sign. 8 equals 6 plus 2. Also, do not forget that we can also do the switcheroo and let the 2 be first. 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 8 equals 2 plus 6. Alright guys, that's it for this video.